Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, August 2nd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, lightning. H pattern, lightning. H pattern 555, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we want to see is the price to excel past 447 with strength, and then we'll lock in a $1 move. As of right now, we're only going to lock in half the profits just in case this has a retrace, come back to about the dollar move, and then take off again. At this point, as you can see right there, there's a $2 move. So this potentially can go up to the $2 marker. If we get a $2 move, we'll lock in $1 guaranteed, and then we'll wait for another retrace. We're going to be playing it bar by bar, but right around the $2 marker is where the 21 moving average is on our 2-minute chart, and we want to see how it reacts off of that. All right, so we were so close from getting taken out on that $1 move, but as you can see, impulse up, corrective wave down, we're going to go back up. So what I would like to see is the price push through the $2 marker and see how it reacts off the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart, and we'll see how it pushes through the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart as well.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. Since I believe that this price will jump up to the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart, I am going to remove my stop and I'm going to put it ahead of the price, and we're going to lock in 225. So if the price jumps up real quick, we'll get closed out at a $2.25 move. So let's see what happens.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.25 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.